Ariel.
Yeah.
I went to Walmart, G. He was the only black guy there, bro. And dude pulled up to me. He's all like, hey yo, and I'm like, what's good? And I got wait for him. He starts walking to me. I wait for him. So it was like, you going to Chicago? I'm like, nah, bro. You gotta have the residence to go out to Chicago, right? And dude was all like, you hear what the Mexicans doing out there? I'm like, me knowing, nah, shit. I'm like, aren't they doing the ICE thing? Like, nah, bro. They killing blacks. Like, alright, bro, but that don't got nothing to do with me, right? And he's like, nah, but you with that shit? I'm like, nah, bro. That had nothing to do with me. He's like, get out the way then. Started walking away. I'm like, yo, okay.
God, I would have smacked him with the works.
So we gonna smack, boy.
That's why we do.
Yo, man, he do got big hands though. Let me see them hands, boy. Them bitches huge.
I don't think people are gonna come out.
I asked a lot of people, they said they were coming.
The last time we came here at this time, and it was decent.
Oh, no. We came here like at 7, dude.
You're 7, dumbass?
Man, G, we got all the full whips here. So we got the GTI, we got the Nissan. We got her Nissan hybrid, half infinity.
Like me in a TV show, me and him.
You know, y'all look like you guys own a pawn shop.
I'm Rick Harrison, and this is my pawn shop.
Fat. Bro, come on, dude. I'm like, what are you recording down there, bro? Yo, be smooth. Long story short, I lost
going on boots.
Right?
You
like,
lost the
steal?
Yeah, I'm like,
Okay, so I saw your guys' car, and I don't know shit about cars.
Okay.
And my blinker is going really fast.
your light bulb is loose. Either that or you have a few bad fuse. It should be an easy fix.
Okay.
Unless the fuse is broken.
Hey, you want to follow the YouTube channel?
No.
Wow.
What's the channel?
Jose Bortez.
Is it your channel?
Yeah.
What do you guys do?
We're like the Beaner version of David Dobrik. You lame ass, I swear.
I appreciate you guys coming out though, for real.
Yeah. Like, I got the people that hosted. Not really.
It's just the one that claimed their ground.
Yeah, basically.
Or Ivan, since you know the problem.
Yeah, you know the problem already.
Your light bulb is loose. Either that or you have a few bad fuse. Hit him with the mechanic. I don't know.
Who's that?
Damn.
Let's hear it. Yeah.
A ver, Manny?
Man, what you got? Want to hear those little farts?
Gotta be rolling.
Dan's dream. I ain't know how you do.
For your shit, nigga, damn.
Oh, this one. It's a foot. Jose Bortez.
You were past you?
Hell yeah.
You went like this? I thought you go like this, bro. I'm like,
Yo, pop another wheelie.
Ah, shit.
Shit, I'm trying to get this.
Wow. Damn, which was that one, bro?
Somewhere you got the battery in the back.
See right there?
Fuck yes,
That's the monster right there. Go with the engine.
Damn, bro, it's so low. It's crazy how low it is, G. Who's Megan Racing?
show that.
So Megan, that stands for Mega, Enormous, Grande.
Anal.
I don't know. And then Racing. And then ECS stands for
It's easy as
Emmanuel's
Community School. Emmanuel Kaka. Shit.
Whose type part is it?
Yeah.
Nice.
What's up?
Nice.
Thanks, man.
See
If
ya.
you could see, I got it from Kentucky.
Damn. Why so far?
Huh?
Why so far?
They actually gave it to me for 30K.
Oh, damn.
The only reson the guy sold this is because he had a family.
Yeah.
Ah, damn.
Yeah.
Yo, yeah, you mind if I put this on a YouTube channel?
Oh, yeah, dude, go ahead.
You want to follow the YouTube channel?
What is it?
Jose Bortez.
We're actually starting one too, me and my friends right here. Kind of like in the
Process.
beginning of the process too. Yeah. You want to see
Damn,
it?
yeah. Damn, the red guts.
Yeah.
Damn.
The only thing I changed right now is just the shifter. Yeah, move it around.
Damn, bro.
Just like still.
Yeah.
Like,
Just wanted to see the whip.
yeah. What's the channel again?
Oh, Jose Bortez. Most of them are like funny videos, you know?
Yeah.
This is like the first car meet I guess we're going to.
This is like our crew. We're starting
guys.
too. Street Spartans, bro.
Straight
What's
sparring.
up, dude? Tyler.
We'll see you around.
Hey, no problem.
I'll see you around, bro.
We're just looking at the whip. These wheels, bro.
They look nice. Dude, they look like they're scraping the shit out of that, bro.
You're looking at 5K right there.
How much are the wheels?
A little over 2.
You're looking at 5K right there. Looking at 5K right there.
This right here?
He's always like,
Yeah?
I'm on my way.
I want that. We want that.
Hell yeah.
I want this too.
I cry a lot in here. I would too if I'm paying that much. God damn. Damn.
You don't even carry your front license plate with you. The work. Yeah. Let me try that bitch.
Hell no. You know what happened to your finger?
Oh,
Yeah.
Jerry!
Oh, this one looks fires. Oh.
Carbon fiber, bro.
Yo, how much is carbon fiber? That's a lot, right?
A lot. That shit like a grand.
Hey, how many times I'm doing this?
Fat bitch.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Dumbass.
So ugly ass. Where's your car?
The shop. Damn.
Mine's at Los Santos Customs.
True. Come on, let's go.
Do some. Do some.
You do
This
that,
guy.
Yeah.
You just say you love me. You didn't kiss me?
My camera's about to die. Fuck. Ivan, you want to say something before this shit dies?
You guys are staying safe out there. We're gonna have hate, you know. Hey, let me talk. Try to stay positive, you know. This world's the cruel world we live in, and I hope everybody stays safe, you know. Family, friends, cherish them, alright?
Alright, bet.
How it going?
Yeah.
I'm phoning.
This is part 2.
Part two.
Wow, you look like a gangster, G.
No, not from 63rd though.
Oh, yeah. What's up, Carlos?
Get a zoom up on this shirt, G.
You already know, gotta represent.
Thank you. Next.
Damn!
Jump in there fully closed. I
Yeah.
did that shit already before.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Literally just bought this shirt.
For the vlog. Vlog.
Why don't you?
Why don't I?
Yeah.
I got too much drip.
Good fuckers, I'm back now.
Anyways.
vasos?
Jump in there for the
For the vlog. For the vlog. For the vlog. Do a belly flop.
No, where should I jump though?
In the water. Where else could you jump?
Where?
Damn. Alright, we need some content. Someone gotta jump in that bitch.
Ah, perro. What?
Bite that hoe. Nah, no, damn. Bro, if y'all know this kid, G, stupid, bro.
That's you.
Stupid as hell, G. You gotta say to these bitches.
Bitches get money. That's all.
Getting no money. Look at you. 60 bucks off of eBay. Wanna be Michael Mary's for 20.
Okay, you want.
What is this?
Hold on.
BMS station.
Hold on,
Who goes to station? Who goes to station?
I'm not wearing my drip clothes right now. That's
Go change then. Let's go see the drip. Damn.
Nobody doing this, I'll do it myself.
Damn, a ver. Mucho huevo, perro. Mucho huevo, perro. Oh. Oh, yeah, otra cabra.
Oh, jump over into them.
Somebody!
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I'm going. Fuck you.
Let's go! Buddy, Jesse, if he's over here trying to...
Now I got the drip, see?
Sing? Now we drip out. Now it's your turn, nigga. Hell no.
What are you gonna do when you're a bitch?
Damn. True?
Yeah, I'm fucking wet.
Nah, that's what happens when you jump in a pool, dumbass.
No, really?
Yeah.
Watch out, everyone. Watch out.
Right there.
Yo! Running back, turbo. Watch the clip. I don't know how to stop it, bro. You gotta use that.
Oh, your turn. Why not?
If Ivan does it, I do it.
Bro,
Yeah, do it. You gotta do it.
I reckon if he goes, I'll deadass jump. I'll dump. If he does it first, I'll deadass.
Man, do it. Come on.
Do it.
Like,
Dog, he'll do it. He'll do
I'll
it.
do it.
We got this shit recorded for evidence.
Seen that one shit? Where it's like,
Jump in, pussy.
Stupid as hell. Alright, let there be light. Oh shit! Fuck! Oh shit! I not.
Come on, Ivan, jump in. I can't swim.
lo emputearon el güey.
Oh, he is?
I'm pretty sure.
I bet he is, bro. That's all he's been doing this whole day. That shit more dry than Jesse's inbox, bro.
Yours, man? No, Ivan got all the bitches, bro.
You got all the bitches?
nah, bro. I'm married, bro. I'm B, bro. I love my shorty. You feel me? You're
Come on, dude.
You already know the vibe.
Hey, if you're keeping it PG, are you gonna put like beeps over what? Like,
Yeah. I cover everything over. and like, but everything like shit, bitch, nah.
Good shit, bitch.
Good shit,
Shit.
It could be
When
like,
I hear the bad
what
word,
the
I'm
you dumbass and then beat like.
You know, have you seen the Simpsons shit where it goes like, boring.
weird when it does say the bad word.
Yeah.
Like when
What the
somebody's
hell?
talking, it's fucking
That's what,
boring.
I'm gonna put that when I have the camera on you.
Wow.
Nah.
Boring.
Jerry.
No mames, para eso te emputas, güey.
For drinking your water?
Hey, wait, hold up, this guy just really went with it. Yeah. What the hell? He just went with his pants. Broke more? Oh my god. That's like, no, he's mad.
Yeah, valió, güey.
Why you so mad, bro?
This nigga paid $2 for a small water and
Drink it.
You see?
Damn, why your PS4 got like 3 lines?
3 lines? It's
You mean 2?
No, it has 2 lines.
2. Think of 1, 2, 3.
That's not lines though.
How is it not?
Lines are this.
So are these.
Ahorita se lo pagas, güey.
3 layers.
3.
3 layers.
Still 3 lines.
No, it's 3.
Look, what is this? A line, right?
Yeah. No, that's a layer.
Oh, you stupid bitch.
Nah, leave it.
Nah, stupid bitch. It's not.
They're dumb. Carlos, right?
Wrong.
Right? Nah.
Wrong.
Look, let the comment section decide that shit.
gonna comment shit, bro.
Wow.
Angie, she's like, another fire video. And then it's and was.
You called it relevant.
Wow. Yo, prove him wrong. Prove him wrong. This kid. Damn, yo, I think this concludes our video because bad died. Alright, let me know in the comments below if we should be going more of these.
IG tag.
IG tag. Oh. Ching. Ivan.
They don't need it. Oh,
IG was not looking gay.
Jesse? IG tag Jesse?
Hell no.
He took too long. He took too long.
He
He
took
wasn't
too
paying
long.
attention.
Check it. Where that? Oh shit. Oh.
It's right here.
Damn.
Yeah?
Oh. Mine's right here.
Let me see. Last words.
Stay tuned for number 6.
Number 6. Ah, shit.